good, y'all? My name is Quenton Williams, representing One Flame. I've watched 2 of my videos so far, and hopefully I'm learning from them. One thing that I've learned so far is I need to pep up my energy. So I'm gonna try to bring up the energy a little bit to where I usually operate in. And the second thing is I'm gonna try to keep eye contact with you guys. These are things that I've taught other people to do because I'm always usually behind the scenes, and these are things I know to watch for, but until you're doing it on the camera yourself, they are things that you don't think about. It's Q learning from Q, which sometimes that's the best teacher. So do what we gotta do. So my goal is to do quick little video shots. So that's why these are kind of short, miniature videos and short talks. Little bit of nuggets of wisdom and things I just picked up over the years. If you are kind of catching the vibe, I didn't want to make lengthy YouTube videos. I think there's a place for that for me. I think that if you guys enjoy this, and you pick a topic that you really want to expound on, I don't mind getting on the live and we can get more social and get some feedback and that kind of thing. The third thing, real quick, that I've learned on my videos from editing is my ums. I'm umming all the way through the video. You guys ain't seeing that, but I'm hearing it. So I clean that up, of course, through decent video editing. Today, I want to dive in a little bit more on music references to listen to help you gauge what kind of sound you want to get out of your recordings, your production, your mixes. The first video was just kind of like a broad scope of what it is and why you want to do it. Hopefully I kind of explained that, and hopefully it kind of got your mind going for those that are not in that world. But for those guys, like I said, my brother that was getting into it, and for some of the kids I even deal with that through my job that are trying to get a little more serious in their mixing and all that, that's what this is for. Dwelle, the track that I put in my last video as to why I use that for sound referencing for vocals. I like really clean vocals that sit on top of the mix. Very clean, real crisp. And the song that I'm talking about is A Few Reasons Part 2 by Dwelle. It was my first song that I found that hit the vocal quality that I wanted. This is a very subjective thing. This is something that you need to find for yourself. This is something that is going to be personal for yourself. When you find that song that the vocals are just hitting like in a way that, wow, I would like to emulate that or get close to that. That's when you know you got a good music reference when you're getting ready to go into your mixing and your editing and recording and all that. The other part of that is over time, these things may change. I got other song references as of now. You kind of want to move with the times. I got more modern mixes that I listen to for referencing for vocals, but that one is like timeless to me at the same time. It's always something that I want to go back to and kind of make sure my ears are where they need to be. It's something that I've trusted over time. That's why I chose this song. It's going to be different for you, and I would love to hear what you guys use or eventually find to use for your vocals when you're mixing and editing and retracting vocals. What songs you guys use as your starting point for where you're trying to get to. And that's my thing for today. Just wanted to hit you guys with that. Hope you guys enjoy the content, the conversation, and like I said, like, subscribe, give me some feedback. I would love, what I need from you guys more than anything is that if you guys will share with me when it comes to music production, especially I'm learning as I go, and hopefully the content gets stronger and better. And as my setup gets better, I'm definitely going to be doing some beat tutorials. I'm definitely going to go through some tracks. I'm definitely going to show you some of my sessions, the production that I'm working on, and get some feedback from you guys. But I would love to hear from you and love to see where this thing can go. So let's build this thing organically. Appreciate y'all. See you next time. I'll let your boy. Don't blame me. Thank you.